Are you on an Udaipur trip and wondering how to make the most of it? Let me help you. Book a stay with the traditional aesthetic so that it matches with the regal vibe of Udaipur, such as this. And to elevate your experience, get yourself a room with the perfect lake view. A place is only as good as its food. So let's try this authentic Rajasthani meal.
This is dal, bati, churma made of millet or bajra. This is the curry, the regional flavor of this place, and some pickle and salad to go with it. Here are Udaipur's top gems that you need on your list, beginning with Sajangarh Fort, popularly known as the Monsoon Town. Another fun thing to do in Udaipur is to take a ropeway ride to Karni Mata temple.
Now we're at the Jagdish temple, which is one of the most famous religious sites in Udaipur. As you can see, the architecture is amazing. Photography is prohibited inside the Sanctum Sanctorum, but if you you can take pictures of this beautiful structure and enjoy the moment here. Now we're at Saheliyon Ki Bari, which is one of the most beautiful places to visit in Udaipur. It was a royal garden built by the Maharaja for the entertainment of the royal ladies. And one cool fact about this place, the fountains, they are not run by electricity. The most popular place in Udaipur, which is the City Palace. It has a garden palace, a palace of mirrors. It overlooks the beautiful Lake Pichola.
It has an architecture which is a perfect blend of Mughal and Rajasthani styles of architecture.
Come to the museum to learn about Mewar kings, their weaponry, artifacts, and everything related to them. You can take a guided tour to learn about the details from the guides over here. And for an amazing experience, you can definitely watch the sound and light show that narrates the legacy of the Mewar kings.
No trip is complete without a shopping spree, so whenever you are in Udaipur, do not forget to shop for souvenirs, jewelry, clothing, and a lot more at places like Hathipur Market, Bada Bazaar, Bapu Bazaar, and a host of others.
So this was our mini Udaipur vlog. If you liked watching it, do not forget to come to this beautiful city. It's filled with a lot of amazing experiences, and if you would like to book your tour, book it with My Flight Trip. We have a range of travel services from tour packages to hotels, flight, cruises and bus bookings. So make sure you plan it with us for a wonderful experience in Udaipur and a host of other cities across India.